he's really more known for doing things like buying the rights to popular artwork at the time so that he can use it in advertisements, or buying right to use sculptures as handouts for his product, for his soaps. And you can look up the whole transcript online, but they basically come to the conclusion that the practice referred to is a most reprehensible one, I fear. However, the government are powerless in the matter, as there is nothing illegal in defacing any coins except those of the realm. We don't care, we can't legislate what he's doing to French coins. So it was one of a dozen stories. I recommend you buy a book on Thomas J. Barrett. I think a very strong example of guerrilla marketing, well before it became a new trend for pop-up cafes, right?